Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to run your applications that are built, that are still in development, that you use localhost as the server on your physical Android device. I'll show you how to run these applications or websites on your physical Android device. So let's proceed. Before we proceed, I'll have to project my Android device to the computer so that you see what I am doing. I'll use a software which is scrcpy to do this. So we type scrcpy in the terminal and then my phone comes up. So I will keep it always on top so that you see what I am doing as we proceed. So let's head to the code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. That is what I use. This application is an application that the front end is built with Flutter and the back end is built with Python framework, which is Django. So we retrieve some data from the API, and then this is the URL that is passed to the front end, which connects the back end. Looking at it, you see it's 127.0.0.1, which is a local host. So for us to get this application running on our physical device, let's proceed. First of all, we have to activate our virtual environment so that we can run our Django application. So let's activate it. We go with source space .env. That's where our virtual device virtual environment is located at. The env/bin/activate. Yeah, it is now activated. We now change directory to where our manage.py file is. So we say change directory backend.cat. So we create another console so that we can run our front end Flutter app there. So we still change directory to .cat where our Flutter app is located. So all is set and done. Let us now run our application. We say let's bring back our mobile device. We say Flutter run. It will automatically choose the physical device. So we have our application launching. So this might take some time it might not. It didn't really take some time. Yeah, if we were using some of the Android emulators on lower end systems like mine, it might have taken a lot of time. So that is the main reason why I want to show you how to use your physical device to test and then have it on your system. Okay, as we can see, we are having a connection refused error, which is socket exception, client exception with socket exception, connection refused, OS error, connection refused. So, and then we've seen the address and then the port. So what is happening? Let us check our back end. Let us go to the back end. Oh, we didn't start our server. So for us to start, we type python space manage.py run server and we hit enter. Oh, what did I type? Oh, sorry, I didn't get the spelling of Python. That's PH-ton. So our server is up. Let us now refresh and see whether it will come up. Whoa, after that nothing really happened. So how can we get this connected? Okay, what we do, open our Chrome browser, then we have to do port forwarding. For us to do a port forwarding, you type in your search bar Chrome hyphen /inspect/hash devices. So when it opens, you go to port forwarding, set up the port. The port we are running on is port 8000 with this IP address. So we impute them here, port 8000, IP address of 127.0.0.1, yeah, 8000, and we click done. Then we also set it up here, the target discovery settings, IP address and port, say 127.0.0.1, 8000, and we say enable port forwarding, done. So then we'll go back to our code editor and refresh by hitting Shift R. Then it's doing a hot restart. So yeah, we've got the application running on our physical device without us having to change any IP address or anything to maybe 10.0.0.1/5502, which is the Android whatever. So we left our IP address and our port how it is. So this is how to test your local host applications on physical Android devices. You might like to use this when your system is a low-end system that can't run Android emulators smoothly, or when you want to really test on a physical device without you launching your application or hosting it on a live server. Thank you very much for following up the tutorial till this point. If you enjoyed the tutorial, like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel too if you don't mind. If you want me to put up a tutorial on how to build an application with Django as the back end and then Flutter as the front end, which can run on an Android device, you can indicate in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.